How to get unbanned from TikTok Live. This tutorial shows you how to resolve live streaming bans and regain access to TikTok Live features. First, open the TikTok application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the homepage, where you can view all the content shared on TikTok. Following that, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Moving forward, select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Afterwards, scroll down to the Support and About section. In addition to that, tap on Report a Problem to access TikTok support. Once you're on this page, scroll down and tap on Live and Live Studio from the list of available options. Moreover, scroll down and tap on I'm banned from Live to see solutions. Afterwards, TikTok will show you information about why you might be banned and potential fixes. Then, if you need more help or the ban persists, tap on No at the bottom. Within this section, tap on Need More Help to contact TikTok support directly. Alternatively, you can now explain your situation in detail in the text field provided. Once you've described your issue, attach any relevant screenshots showing the ban notice if possible. Then tap on Submit to send your appeal to TikTok support for review. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you appeal your TikTok Live ban, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.